Get this out. Dad, I put his glove on. Try not to hit him.
Hold on, Pootie.
Feet like this. Ready? 1. Whee!
Oh, no.
What's he doing?
He made the craziest face.
You like that? Come here, get on here and Dad'll push you down there. I think it was too heavy. Let's sit on this one. Oh, your butt's gonna get wet right there. Whoa! Okay. Put your legs up.
Woohoo!
Go Coos! Pretty good.
Good job!
Go Dudes! Want to do it again? Get in the back part. Come here, get in the back part. It works better, I think. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Go! Here.
Oh, good.
Wait.
You have a data horse.
Gotta fix it. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Was that
Whoa, Levi!
Ready? Get on it. Okay.
He yelled again.
Here, you gotta hold on. You gotta hold on right here. Look. You
He
gotta,
can't with those gloves.
you gotta hold on right there. Can you hold on?
He's faking holding on.
He's what?
Hold on, boo boo.
Hold on, Pooh.
Woohoo!
Oh my Lord. Let's go down this way. Ooh, this is gonna be steep. Have it wide so you can see how fast he's going.
Hold on, Pooh. Raise your hands up.
Where you going?
Raise your hands up.
Watch out! Ah!
Good job! I want to do it again.
We exercised Dada all summer so he could do this.
Hold on!
There's a hill right there, too. One more time. Hold on to the handles. Hold on to the handles, Poots.
Let's go down this way. Hold on.
Whoa!
You okay?
Woohoo!
You okay? Wanna go again? Get on.
Be still. Let me get that off of you.
Okay, I'm gonna stop